Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over a few different ways that you can go about finding on-demand content using your YouTube TV subscription. So first and foremost, the main way that I go about doing this is finding the little search magnifying glass icon, selecting that. That's going to bring us over to this area where we can search for shows, we can filter by networks or the type of show that you're looking for. So if you know the name of the show that you want on-demand content for, you can always just search for it here right at the top. Otherwise, you can find the network that you're looking for in terms of on-demand content. So let's say, for instance, I wanted Cartoon Network, so I would select that option right here. It's going to take us over to this page where we can scroll down here and we can see current live content, but the on-demand content is going to be in these other tabs. So taking a look at Cartoon Network, so selecting a show that we might want on-demand content for and looking down, if it has this little label where it says VOD or video on demand, that means you're going to be able to watch that on-demand content. And you can select whichever season or episode that you're looking to watch. It has more filtering options. We see we can find them by trending, popular. You can look at different sports leagues and additional filtering options as you scroll down the list here. So that's one way you can go about finding on-demand content and the way that I recommend doing so. Another way that we can do this is going to the Live tab. And in your live channels area, you can select the channel icon here on the side of whatever live. So let's say just going through here and I want to take a look at sci-fi. So I'd click on the channel logo over here on the left-hand side. Again, it's going to bring us up to this page. You can see what's on live, but then the on-demand content is going to be over here. So taking a look at series, and again, clicking on a show, you can scroll down and you can see that video on-demand content. Now, if a show says VOD, you should be able to watch that video on demand, but it is possible that a show might not have a VOD label next to it. That means there isn't video on demand available for that particular episode or show. And a third way that we can go about finding on-demand content is going to the Home tab. And from the home page, we have different filter options right here. So let's say I'm looking for TV shows, so I select the shows option. And then we can filter further from there. Let's say I'm interested in a food series. So I click on the food option, and then it gives me all different types of food series shows that I can look through and select to see if there's on-demand content for that. So let's just select this show right here. And then scrolling down, we can see we have that video on demand. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, going over different ways that you can go about finding video on demand using your YouTube TV subscription. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.